Hey, I am Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. We're an Amazon consulting firm, and today I'm going to show you how to utilize the top competitors' keywords. How do you find them? How do you look for them so you can get those backend search terms for free, no tool required. I don't know how long this is going to work, but right now you can utilize it for free and get those top backend search terms pretty quickly. Okay, so here are the steps. So first, we're going to create the backend search terms for free. My face right there. First, we're going to create those backend search terms. So you're going to log into Seller Central account. We're going to find the top competitors, copy their ASIN. There's this special code right here that I'm going to put below. You're going to utilize the code, and you're going to ensure there's no duplicate keywords, and then you're going to use them for your backend search terms. So to put the backend search terms on Amazon, you're just going to click edit on your listing, go to keywords. This is going to help you rank. And then there's this search term section right here. And that's where you put the keywords. So as you can see, there's 200, it's supposed to be 250 bytes. So close to 250 letters. And you're going to utilize them as backend search terms. So pretty much what we're going to do is we're going to use this as an example. It's a female enhancement supplement. Now we're going to find the top competitors in this industry so we can utilize their backend keywords. Because most likely, if we look at the top competitors, they're going to have really good keywords. So you're going to type in what your product competitors are. So this is a female enhancement pill. I'm going to look at some of your top competitors. If you could use Jungle Scout to find your top competitors, if you don't have that tool, what you can do for free is just look at how many reviews they have and if they're showing up as number one. So we can see that these are some of the number one competitors. I like to look at the top two competitors. Right now, these are the top two showing up. They have the most, they have some of the most reviews. This isn't related to our product because ours isn't a breast enhancement. Ours is just a female enhancement for libido. So I'm going to open these two up. And then you're going to get that ASIN. The ASIN always starts with the letter B as in boy, and it's right after DP. So there it is, and here it is. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put it on a handy dandy sheet. There's the first ASIN, and then the second ASIN's right here. So I have the two top competitors. So all you have to do is competitor analysis, find your two top competitors, whoever you think is the two top competitors that are making the most money. It's usually going to be the competitors that are showing up first. Then you're going to copy this. And at the end, the equals, after the equals, you're going to put the first ASIN. So we got the first one ready, and then we have the second one over here. You're going to put the second ASIN. And there we go. So now we have those two ready to go. You're going to copy the first one. You're going to go back to Amazon, and you're going to type it in. Make sure you're logged into Seller Central, or else this might not work. So I'm logged into Seller Central on one of my other tabs. Now I'm going to go to a different tab and type this in, and I'm going to click enter. And then it's supposed to show you this code. And this has all of the code from the competitor we typed in. It has their listing details, their URL, all this good stuff. The product name, package weight, unit count. If this doesn't show up, click enter again. So just click enter a couple of times. Make sure you're logged into Seller Central and this code will work. Next, you're going to click Control F on your keyboard, and then you're going to type in search. And as you can see, the search terms are right here. And they start, here they are, libido, booster, and they go all the way to, where do they stop? Here it is. Bada boom. So we got the first ones. So here are the first competitors' backend keywords. They have a lot more. So they have a lot. Then we're going to copy the other one. And then we're going to do the same exact thing. And then we're going to get another, Control F, search. Here they are. And now we're going to make our own. So we're going to look at our own product, or we're going to try to make sure there's no duplicates. So we utilize the codes. We're going to show there's no duplicates and make our own. And it has to be 250 bytes, which is around 250 letters. I like to use lettercount.com. So you can use lettercount.com. As of right now, I don't think there's a byte. There's ones for bytes, but you can put this in and just get the 250. And then we're just going to do female. And I'm just going to go through this. We're just going to take some of the keywords from each. Female booster. They both have this keyword. Enhancer. I know I'm using this weird product, but you know, a lot of the weird products are the ones that sell on Amazon. I'm just going to take some from each. Mood. But they have a lot of keywords in here. And what we do know is these are the top competitors, so their keywords are working, obviously. We just don't want to have duplicates in here because the duplicates don't help us. There's a lot of duplicates in here. We got horny goat weed in here, which is an ingredient. Testosterone, aphrodisiac. And then when you're done this, you're going to just review your product and you're going to make sure that these keywords are related to your product, right? So if it said banana, pickle, fresh juice, that's not related to a female enhancement, so I wouldn't add those in. But usually, since we're using the top competitors' keywords, it's going to be related and it's going to be close. So you're just going to take these and you're going to paste them and see what the letter count is. It's 137 and we need to get to 250. Okay, so what I did is I kind of mimicked. I could get a third competitor because a lot of these keywords are the same. So I could get a third competitor or a fourth competitor and then try to combine them. But here is my new one down here. And I'm going to copy that. And again, we want to get to 250. So right now we're at 231. And just for video purposes, we're just going to leave it at 231 because this is pretty close to 250. But anyway, you're going to copy this. You're going to go back to your Amazon Seller Central account and you're going to put in the search terms. And then you're going to, let's first I'm going to wait. And then you're going to click Save and Finish. And then these search terms will be in the back end on Amazon. And now you have some of the top competitor search terms, which are some of the most search terms. Usually top competitors do their due diligence, so they're doing their due diligence for you. And this is a free tool that you can use to not only see the search terms, but you can see the title, the bullet points, the description. A lot of things are on this code that I just showed you. So feel free to utilize this, and I really appreciate you. And that's all for today. I just wanted to show you how to utilize a free tool to get those backend search terms pretty quickly, pretty easily, how to implement them, and combining some of your top competitors. I like combining data because it's more beneficial than just copying and pasting. Instead, you're combining and then making it your own a bit. So that's it right now. Feel free to jump over to www.ehpconsultinggroup.com to learn more about us and see what we can do to help you optimize your listing or manage your account. Again, I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Feel free to drop a subscribe. I'll be posting more videos and more tips moving forward. Thank you so much. Bye.